Hello friends, and welcome to this week's vlog. I'll be taking you along as I explore the autumn countryside. Today, I found myself in the town of Suffield for a session. After finishing up, I drove past a sign for a park that looked very promising, and I decided to check it out for a bit. Fall is officially here, and the trees are putting on their yearly show. This particular afternoon had a very eerie feel to it. The clouds moved rapidly across the sky, causing the landscape to constantly change, from warm and bright to chilly and dark, and the wind was whipping with a frantic intensity. One of the most unsettling parts of my explorations was when I was filming near the cornfield. There was something so eerie about the way the corn stalks swayed and rustled. It sounded as though someone was walking unseen through them and watching me. I'm not sure if you can tell in the video, but I was feeling very uneasy when I was filming some of the clips. One of the pieces I didn't actually film when I was out filming happened when I was deep in the woods. At one point, I went to pick up my tripod and I crushed my finger in one of the legs. So I'm out in the middle of the woods and my poor pinky finger is at this point bleeding pretty heavily. The blood is like running down my finger in my hand, not to get too graphic. But me being the artist that I am, I walked back to my car, and instead of packing it in, I just grabbed a napkin that was in my glove compartment, wrapped my finger in the napkin, and went on filming. Because what's art without a little suffering? The afternoon began to darken, and soon I could hear the threatening rumble of thunder in the distance. It amazed me how quickly the weather turned. One moment it was sunny, and the next, dark. The moment I decided to pack it in, the skies unleashed rain, and the wind picked up considerably. I actually included a clip that I filmed quickly on my way back to the parking lot, because the rain was coming down so fast and so hard, and the wind was picking up all the dust in the parking lot and blowing it around. I just wanted to show everyone how quickly the weather changed from the beginning of when I was filming when it was sunny and nice to this point when it was just violent. This park is one of my favorites. After finishing up a high school senior portrait session, I decided to hang out and shoot some more B-roll for another project. I had also gotten some pretty big, life-changing news today. I'm really not ready to share it yet, but don't worry, it won't affect you, my dear friends. And it's not necessarily bad news, it's just big news. The height of autumn is nearly here. The weather is getting chillier each and every day, and the leaves are almost at their peak. It actually seems fitting that I would receive the news of a life-changing event the same time the weather and the season is actually changing. And especially since, of all the seasons, fall represents change the most. I hope you all enjoyed this week's vlog. I have so much I want to share with you in the coming weeks, so be sure to look out for that. But until then, stay warm, stay safe, and take care.